Start with a Snazaroo face paint in white and use a sponge to apply this to the area between the top lip and the nose. If you happen to get some on the bottom lip, just wipe it away, and then with the edges, blend them out so they fade into the cheeks. Take the white over the eyelids and wing out the outside corner. And then also apply some right in between the eyebrows and in 2 diagonal lines going across the forehead. Next, with Snazaroo Beige Brown, start on the nose and blend this colour all the way out across the cheeks. And then also apply some to the top and bottom edges of the ears. Switch to Snazaroo Light Brown and using the very tip of the sponge create a fluffy edge along the cheeks. And then also apply a small amount to the ears to tie it all together. Still with the light brown, switch over to a brush to create the antlers. Start with one solid line and then add a few branches off of this. With more white paint, add a bit more detail to the small tuft of hair in the centre of the forehead. And then add a few markings across the tops of the cheekbones in lots of different sizes. Next, take Snazaroo Black and outline the wing of the eye. If you don't get it perfect on the first stroke, go back and touch it up. Also define the ears with an outline and then add another fluffy line along the bottoms of the cheeks. Bring the outside corners of the mouth up towards the nose, and then starting on the top lip, flick your brush up and create a gradual fade effect. Finish off the outlining with a small tuft of hair, and then also add a shadow underneath each of the antlers. Use Snazaroo Red to fill in the nose, unless of course you're not doing Rudolph, in which case you can use black. And then finish it off with a little white highlight.